In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and if you want to, mute the music right away by choosing the bottom left corner. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and click on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can check out all of those options, and when you're ready, tap on the top right corner, then bottom one again. Over here, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting the best option for you. Lastly, close Magic Fluids app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!